Hi guys, today we are in Southeast Europe in Romania. Try to explore Apuseni mountains. We climb in the woods from the north side to main peak called Vladeasa. There should be a meteorological station for weather forecast. All off-road is legal. I slept in the woods, so I can start early in the morning. The sun is just rising. In some places, the road is steeper. I use a slow speed in transmission. Toyota climbs like a chamois, even if I have full tire pressure. I hope that you know mountain chamois. It is an animal, similar like goat, but brown and climbing on the rocks. Low speed, lock the differential between axles. Very helpful. We are approaching the top of Vladeasa. We are now on the ski slopes. We will hit the ridge in a moment. Here's the view, how it looked like. Nice nature, no tourists. Someone was driving here. Fresh marks from the tires in the mud. Bandits, smugglers, and horse thieves. Or just locals. Yay, there is a lot of turns, but it's mean we are climbing up. But we are still below 2000 meters. Ooh, the vegetation suddenly changed. It's mean we are on an open mountain ridge. Oh, water. Okay, we can. Just do it. Like kids. I like it. Tadadum-tum. I am finally on the top of Vladeasa. My GPS position is 46.76027. Second number 22.79476. But what about these fans? Before I mean that I will go through this station, but it is not possible. But you can find a lot of small roads in forest around you. Look like I discovered the new color for vehicle. It's called Safari. It is an origin color of car and added some motif of surroundings. At least I will be invisible in the woods.
Wow, water! What do you expected? What can happen now? In the Romanian mountains, it is fine that you can find drinkable water twice a day.
For a long downhill, I would brake by the engine. The best is Shift L. As you can see, I can drive completely without brake.
The stones began to get bigger, therefore it is time to reduce the tire pressure. From the original 2.4 bar, I reduced it to 1.6. BFG KO2 have a very solid structure and sidewalls, so the difference is maybe not so visible, but it is there. The first car in a half a day we have after lunch. Short patrol. Maybe finally bandits, smugglers and horse thieves. But it is not like that. Only locals want to drive. It's time to say hello. By Romanian language, say salut or ce faci. It means how are you? Look guys, there is a lot of dirt roads. If the weather is nice, they are not difficult. I enjoyed them in relative comfort, because I am one of those who hold the serial suspension AHC, active high control. Just don't forget, in the river or rocks, put it to the high position. After inflating the tires to the original pressure 2.4 for asphalt road, I also enjoy evening swim in this water dam. Boys and girls, the water was really fresh but perfectly clean. Unfortunately, it got dark very quickly, so now I must enjoy this night ride. I still have 40 kilometers on this gravel road for tomorrow's start. It will be very close to Muntele Mare mountain. So, safe drive and slowly good night.